you remain in the G. Until the moment you expire, you know what it is. To make nothing out of something, you handle your biz. And don't be crying, and it's something you will give a chance. You got your block on fire, you remain in the G. Until the moment you expire, you know what it is. To make nothing out of something, you handle your biz. And don't be crying, and it's suffering. You can't do nothing but love French, huh? You don't know what we gon' do next, huh? You bought my table with your chick, huh? You wearing the vest, huh? You trying to protect your chest, huh? You spend 70 on your bins, huh? That ain't yours, that's for your friends, huh? You won't stop these niggas from playing with you, huh? You won't run a block, huh? You won't be the only nigga with rocks, huh? You keep your gun cocked, huh? You count the money at the end of the night, huh? You on a 3-day flight, huh? You full of that diesel, huh? You ducking them people, huh? Your face was on the news last night, huh? You the one robbing the dudes out they shoot last night, huh? You don't go in the project when it's dark, huh? You claim you a thug and you ain't got no hoe, huh? You came in the know on New Year's Eve, huh? You got stuck in that bitch and you